Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire Dishwasher Upper Dishrack Wheel. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Upper Dishrack Wheel. The Upper Dishrack Wheel is what the upper dish rack rolls in and out on. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the upper rack's not going in and out properly. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to grab the rails and pull them out a little bit so we can take the end caps off. There's a little catch on the bottom of the end cap. All you have to do is release it and then pull the end cap off the rail. Once you have this one off, the other one comes off the same way. Now that we have the end caps off, we're going to pull out the upper dish rack and set it on the countertop. You want to put a towel down so you don't damage the countertop. Once you have it on the countertop, we can change the part. Now that we have the dish rack out, there's 4 wheels on it. They're all changed out the same way. We're just going to take a needle nose pliers and compress this center section while pushing out on the wheel. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dish rack. Here's the old upper dish rack wheel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new wheel on, you just want to line it up so it snaps on the right way, and then support the wheel bracket from behind so when you press on it, you don't crack it or damage it. Once you have the new wheel on, we can put the upper dish rack back in the dishwasher. All you have to do is line up the rollers with the rails and push it back in. Once you have it all the way in, we can grab the rails and pull them out so we can put the end caps on. To put them on, you just want to feed them through the rail. And once you have it all the way down, you want to push from the back and then lock it in. Once you have this side on, we can do the one on the other side. Once you have the end caps on, you can push the upper rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.